Right. Good evening, all of you. Now it's okay, all of you. Just check it. Someone. Right. So here, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Right. Everyone is ready to crack, all of you. Everyone get ready to crack. We'll be continuing our discussion on this all-state PSC PYQs. Right. We'll be discussing. We'll be continuing our discussion on which one? This all-state PSC PYQs. You can say, right. All-state PSC PYQs discussion will be continuing. So many chapters we have done now. So now we are doing this plain table survey, and this plain table survey we will be continuing if you just right. We were doing this plain table survey, and some questions on plain table survey are already done, and we will be continuing these questions on this plain table survey further. Okay, right. So this is what. This is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use. RPC Live is a referral code you have to use always for unlocking any free lessons on Unacademy, or for subscribing to the Plus and Iconic courses on Unacademy also. You have to go for which one? This RPC Live is the referral code you have to use always. Okay, right. Now these are the subjects I will be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, you can say now. And now today will be the last date if you just observe, right? June 8th 11:59 p.m. right? Today will be the last date for availing which one? This extension as well as which one? This price hike. Okay, extension as well as this price hike, you can say, right? So this 9 months if you are taking 2 months extra, 12 months if you are taking 3 months extra, 18 months if you are taking 4 months extra, and 24 months if you are taking 4 months extra. So don't miss this, all of you. Use the referral code RP Civil Life. Okay, use the referral code RP Civil Life and subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses, everyone. So this is one, right? If you are unable to pay the full fee at a time, then what we need to do? You can go for which one? This is a no cost EMI option in Unacademy, right? So you can pay in easy monthly installments, and you'll be having lesser amount of financial burden on you. Okay, on your parents. And whenever you are taking this iconic subscription, what is that you are having? Whenever you are taking this iconic subscription, right, that you will be having what? You can say that right. Whenever you are having this iconic subscription, so you will be having this 1:1 live interaction session every month. 2 sessions will be there, so don't miss them, all of you. Right. These are the special class features, right? Special classes are the Unacademy classes, right? What are the additional features? You can say you can have this live interaction with the faculty. Hi Lina. Polls for the learners, right? You can have these polls. You can raise a hand and you can talk to the faculty. You can never miss a class, right? Lecture notes will be available. PDF will be available, right? Anytime, anywhere you can go for if you just observe, right? So anytime, anywhere you can attend this if you just observe. You can say everyone. It's not right. So daily scholarship test, right? So 2 classes are going on. Lina, is it so? Or 2 classes going on at a time, or only 1 class is going on at a time? That other class is closed or opening? Just share that link to me. I'll just check it. Share that other class link to me. Right. So this is a practice for this GATE and ESE, right? We can go for this practice of this GATE and ESE by means of which one? This Unacademy PYQs, right? So there is a community feature, right? You just click on which one? You just click on this banner, blue color banner printed by Unacademy card, and after that what you need to do? You just go with that, right? You just click on that my profile, and you can follow my community, and you'll be getting the regular updates there. Okay, iconic subscription. So you take iconic subscription, use the referral code RP Civil Life. So don't miss this, all of you. Today will be the new batch started by Jespal sir, you can say. Okay, this is also the new batch we are having. Now these are GATE 2022 toppers from Unacademy. These are your ESC 2021 toppers from Unacademy, you can say. These are the differences and similarities between this Plus and Iconic. Depending upon your requirement, you select them. Okay. Now coming to this, how many questions we have done? 389, 390, 391. These 392 questions, and how many? This 400 questions we have done. Yes, no, 400 questions we have done. And now we will be entering into which one? This 401 question. Right? Today's class is what? All-State PSC PYQs part 19 in today, right? Plain table survey is a chapter 6.1 and 401 question, right? Select the answer of you for this. Everyone select the answer. Everyone select the answer of you. Write your answer. Write your answer here, all of you. The orientation of this plane table by solving the 2-point problem is adopted only when you have to go for this. Orientation of this plane table by solving 2-point problem is adopted when saving of this time is the main factor, right? It is a saving of this time is the main factor, or so it is defined, right? When the points are for better accuracy, or the given points are inaccessible, right? When the given points are inaccessible, you are unable to identify those points. Then in the process of identifying those points here in the ground, we will be using this 2-point problem and a 3-point problem, you can say. It's not right. Now select the answer for this 402 question, everyone. Select the answer for this 402 question, all of you. Parallelism is a main principle, right? Based on that parallelism principle, you can go for this, right? Working on the plane table, the correct rule is, right? Which rule you have to select? Select the answer for this, all of you. Select the answer for this, all of you. While working on the plane table, the correct rule is, right? Which one is the correct rule? Draw continuous lines from the all instrument stations to contain the, sorry. So second one, draw the short arrays sufficient points sort, right? Intersection should be obtained by the actually drawing the second array. None of this, right? Which one you can say? If you just observe, we should draw short arrays sufficient to contain the points sort, na? Yes or no? To contain the points sort, right? This is here. To contain which one? Sufficient. Draw the short arrays. Draw which one? Right? Draw the short arrays sufficient to short arrays it is, right? Short arrays sufficient to contain the points, right? To contain the points, right? Which one is correct? Option B will be the correct, right? We need to, what is the meaning of this short race? We need to draw the long race for the entire one, or approximately we can draw the short race that is sufficient, whichever up to the point. See, if you just observe one example I will be showing here. Let us say this is your point A, na, and this is your which one? This is point B, you can say, and whenever this is your point O. So it is better we need to draw which one? This up to this short array it is sufficient, na? This is an OA. So this is short array is sufficient, na? That point must be containing this point B. Yes or no? Do you need to draw this full or no need to draw this full, right? No need to draw this full, right? Yes, no, approximately. Now select the answer for this 403 question, all of you. The name itself is, the question itself is giving the answer. Select the answer of you. Cricket lover, select the answer. Read the question carefully. Locating the position of a plane table station with reference to the 3 known points, right? With reference to the 3 known points, what is that point, what is that method called as? It is just called as your 3-point problem, right? Yes, na? It is just simply called as your 3-point problem, you can say, isn't it, everyone, right? No. Select the answer for this 404. Hint is already given, na? Right. That is A, this is B, that is C, this is D, right? You observe carefully which one is ABCD, which one are ABCD, okay? D, which of the following instrument is not used for the plane table, right? Which one is not used for the plane table? Which one is not used for the plane table? It is D or it is B or A or C? Which one? Lokesh said B, Lina said B, cricket lover said D. Which of the following instrument is not used for the plane table survey, right? For the plane table survey, write the question number and answer, that is better. Plumb bob, yes, we'll be using that plumb bob, na? Yes. Spirit level, yes, leveling purpose we are using plumb bob. For centering purpose, alidate, yes, we are using for which one? This writing, right? This theodolite, are we using the theodolite or we are not using the theodolite? We don't use this theodolite in the plane table, na? Whenever you are using the theodolite in the plane table, can you call it as a plane table survey? You cannot call it as a plane table survey if you are using a theodolite. You call it as a theodolite survey. Theodolite will never be used now. You have to be careful. Now tell me 40, which one? That is your 404. This is your 405. Write the question number and answer all of you so that confusion will be avoided. What is it, everyone? In a plane table survey, the error due to centering should not exceed the scale divided by how much? 405B. Lina said B. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? So it is divided by which one? This 40, right? It is divided by which one? This 40, right? That error should not be greater than which one? This scale by 40, okay? Like that. 406, select the question. (406) question, all of you, write the answer. Write your question number and answer. Right. Wrong statement, it is not the correct statement. Lina said A. Any other answer by others? 406. Any other answer by others, all of you? Cricket lover said A. Any other answer by others? Lokesh and others? Which of the following is a wrong statement about the plane table survey? About the plane table survey. It avoids missing of any measurement required for plotting. It is an accurate method. It is not to be used for locating a main station accurately. It is commonly used for filling details in small and medium scale mapping. Right? Which one you can say? Is it a very accurate method? It avoids missing of any measurement required for plotting, right? So sometimes even without, right, it avoids missing of any measurement required for plotting, right? Avoids missing means what? It will be considering all, na? Avoids missing, right? Missing is a negative, avoid is also negative. Negative, positive statement it will become, na? Avoids missing means it will not avoid, na? Avoids missing means it will not skip any. It will not skip any point, na? It will not skip any point. Yes, na? It will not skip any point. Whenever it is not skipping any point, if you just observe, It is not skipping any point, na? Yes, absolutely, that statement is correct or not? It will not skip any point, right? Because all points must be visible. Whenever all points are visible, then only you can go for this plain table survey. So that what will happen, even if you are missing also, what is that you can see? You will be just looking at that ground, and in the map, if you look at, here that point is not noted, we can say. Can you miss any point? Is it possible to miss any point? It is impossible to miss any point, right? It is impossible to miss any point, right? It avoids missing means it will not skip, or it will be considering all points. Yes, na? Right? Is it an accurate method? 100% accurate method, or it is not a very accurate method? It is not very accurate method. It is not suitable, not to be used for locating the main stations accurately. Yes, na? Absolutely. It is not accurate means it is an accurate method. No, it is not an accurate method. It is a lesser accurate method. That is the reason we don't use this for locating the main stations, right? So suppose some benchmark, if you wanted to locate, don't use this plain table survey. Main station of that irrigation project, don't use this plain table survey. Normal one we can use it, right? It is commonly used for filling details in small or medium scale mapping. Yes, for normal, medium scale and small scale mapping, under the normal works you can go for which one, this plain table survey, but don't go for this very higher level and high accurate works, right? Large, if it is a irrigation project is there, can you go for this plain table? No, accuracy is very much required or not? Absolutely. Yes, Sandeep, thank you. Right, you are utilizing, and you have, if you are getting rank, then I am happy always. 407, select the answer for this question also. 2-point problem, 3-point problem, that Lehman's method, and all these things will come under which one? This one practice only. What is that? Practice, you can say. (407C). Others? Abhinandan, cricket lover, Lena, everybody said C. Yes, right. 2-point problem, 3-point problem, Lehman method, all these things will come under which one? This orientation and this resection. So plotted point, right? Already that point is available on the map, but that point is not available on the ground, right? We have to locate that point on the ground, right? That is your 2-point problem, 3-point problem, everything will come under this, right? Orientation and resection, right? This is your 408. Select the answer of you. For this 408, select the answer. Select the answer for this 408 question, everyone. Write the question number and answer, so that I will not be confusing for which question you are answering. 408C, cricket lover. Any other answer by others? Lena said D. In one method of plain table survey, the object to be plotted is sighted from these 2 plain table stations, which are plotted after measuring and plotting TSQ, the distance between them, and the point of intersection of this both rays gives the position. Point of intersection of both rays gives the position of this point of object. And then this method is called as what? The name itself is telling that it is which method? This is the intersection method, na? Everyone. 2 points are there, right? From these 2 points we are just making, right? This is your capital A, let us say small a, and what is it you are having? This is your small b is already available, right? These are already plotted on which one? This map, na? Yes or no? Now what is it you are doing? You are just taking it, right? You are just taking it to which one? This B point, capital B, and reorient this, right? Whenever it is placed at A, towards this particular point P, you draw a line. So already this line is available, and from this point B also you draw a line. That intersection of these 2 rays will be giving which one? This point, small point P, na? So like that. So which option is correct? Intersection method, na? This is just the explanation of this intersection method only, na? It is just the intersection of this explanation of this intersection method only, you can say, is na? Right? You have to be careful, right? Now 409, select the answer. Yes, yes, I'm good. How are you? Select the answer, everyone. The standard size of this plane table is, what is the standard size of this plane table, everyone? Cricket lover said C, Leena said C. Any other answer by others? $75 by this is 60 centimeters. Yes, it is absolutely correct answer, right? Yes, it is absolutely which one? Correct answer. You can say it like that. This is your 410 question. Select the answer for this 410 question, all of you. Select the answer, everyone, for this 410. $410B, cricket lover. Another answer by others? The instrument which is used in plane tabling for obtaining the horizontal and vertical distances directly without resorting to the chaining. So plane alidate, no. Clinometer, no. Tachyometer, no. Right? Telescopic alidate only, no. Because what is that with this telescopic alidate we are doing? With this telescopic alidate, we are going for which one? This we are doing the duty of this theodolite, na? So no, vertical angle, horizontal angles we can measure. From this vertical angle and horizontal angles we can get which one? This vertical distances as well as this horizontal distances, right? It is the telescopic alidate, you can say, right? Now this is your 411 question. Select the answer of you. This is 11th question for today. We'll solve one more question. 12th question we'll stop. C. Which of the following is not a usually method for orientation of this plane table? Orientation by which one? Resection, na? Orientation by resection. Orientation with a trough compass, yes, you can orient. Orientation by 3-point problem, yes. Orientation by back setting, yes. Orientation by 5-point problem. Is there any such kind of problem called as 5-point problem? Only 2-point problem is there and 3-point problem is there, right? There is no 4-point, 5-point, 6-point problems are not there. Now this is your 412 question. 12 questions we are doing now. Last question for today. Select the answer of you. It is also a simple question, a direct question. Alidate is used in which survey? Yeah, cricket lover said C. Traverse survey, geodetic survey, plane table survey, hydrographic survey, right? In the plane table survey only we are using this, or not all of you? In the plane table survey only that alidate will be used, right? Like that, isn't it? So like that we are having. So in tomorrow again on 10th you will be having this surveying class. But tomorrow at 4:30 you will be having which one? This which subjects, in which sequence you have to study the subjects. That one is there, all of you. Don't miss this, right?